Hello team, so this is your virtual credit card solutions. So this is your front end. Here you can apply for your virtual card. Okay, here you just need to have some data, or that data will come in admin panel. Then you can check that data. So like you will when you send any like application request, then admin can check that request, then they will contact with you. Then we have a login. So here you can log in with email and password, or you can easily register yourself, which I will also will show you. Here you can check home page. You can change this content if you want to changing, like how it works, total users, happy users. These are your like customer reviews. Then you can check other things. So here you can set up your social links as well. Now let me log in once, and then I will show you the user side as well. Or let me show you the admin panel directly to you. So admin panel can help you to understand more things more better. Okay, just allow me a second. It's logging in. So it's login. So here you can check add money balance this month, last month, Stripe available balance, total user or pending, add money. So if any money was pending, that data will come here. Then money monthly add money chart, monthly virtual card. Okay, here you can check like announcement, analyze. You can check blog and on all. Okay, then we have user analyze, which you can check. Add money growth, which you can check it here. Okay, then we have other options as well, like set up currency. So you can set up your own currency, you can add it, you can delete. Then we have a fees and charges. So here you can add your charges, fixed charge, or what is the range, virtual credit cards or charge range, which you can manage that. Net transfer money charge. Then we have set up card API. So we are using Stripe for this. You can set up your key, then it will work for you. Then we have add money logs, which you can manage here. Then virtual card logs, which you can check it here. Then we have a user care. So all types of active user you can get, check data. So like current balance, total transaction, total add money. Okay, then we have add subtract banner, login log, send email, login as a member. So I will show you login as a member as well. Then we have email log, then last login, status, email, username, full name. You can check information, you can change or you can update information if you require. Okay, then we have email unverified, KYC and all, you can check it here. Then we have admin care. So all admin data will come here. You can easily add it, you can delete, you can view data, you can add multiple admin, you can ban them if you require, so you can ban as well. Okay, then we have admin rules. Here you can set up multiple rules, what rules you require. Okay, and then you can assign them permissions. So you can just click here, permissions name, and select the rules. So those permissions you need to assign them, that permission they will get. Okay, then we have an email to admin, so you can send what message you want to send, so it will go. Then we have some web settings which you can manage here. So like OTP expansion, time zones, activation settings, like user register can secret password, every policy, SSL and all, you can manage that. Then we have some basic settings, so which you can manage. Okay, then we have an image access which you can manage, like logo and all. Then we have like app settings, so here you can like splash scheme we have, so which you can update. And then we onboard schemes, app URL. Then we have a languages, so here you can set up which language you are working, so you can set up your own language according to requirement. Then we have an email as well, so you can manage email. Okay, here you can set up your SMTP key, in which key we are working, so here you can set up that key. Okay, so just seconds. Then we have email method, here you can set up. Okay, then we have set up KYC, so you can set up KYC for user, or you can deactivate that things. You can add your form like ID. So this is the field name ID type. Here you can add field type, input, file, text area, select. Then we already selected like option which are option. Then we have require optional, we can select, and then we can add. So this is form, so you can set up multiple form here. So which types of field type we require, like we require files, we require text area, we require select area, which we can use. Okay, after that we have a setup section. So like in the front end, home, about, our features. So you can check, or you can change, or you can manage your front end here. Then we have setup pages. You can manage your pages, useful links, extension. Then we have add money. So we are using Stripe or PayPal, our gateway. So you can set up your key. So it will help you to do all types of transaction automatically. So Stripe, you just need to set up like minimum, maximum, what is the charge we are charging and all. You can manage it. Then we have push notifications. So you can set up your push notification. Then contact message we have, or some details we have. Or this is the settings. So here you can check language, time zones and all. Okay, so this is the admin panel which I already show you. Now let me show you the user side one. Okay, so let me log in any user. So here you can check like current balance, total transactions and all. So now I'm logged in as a member. So here you can check current balance, total add money, active tickets, and here you can check view details. If you want to add money, then just click on add money and then you can complete your transaction. Select the pay gateway, which gateway we are using, and you can use that. Here you can check amount preview. So if we add amount, then you will get like enter amount, exchange rate, fees and charges, conversion amount will get, you know, then we have a transfer money. So you can transfer money to receiver email, then amount, and then you can transfer it. Then this is your card. Let me show you. Here you can create multiple your virtual cards. So like fund amount you can set here, then like total charge or total pay. If you confirm, so card will be generated for you. Cards. Okay, we already disabled that feature for this is a demo purpose. Or second, like we have my profiles here, you can check your transactions. Or okay, then we have a KYC verification. You can check KYC verification. You can complete your KYC verification if you had not done. And like get support, logout. This is just some user feature which you can check, or it help you to manage yourself. Okay, here the user can easily any ticket if they are facing an issue. So I already show you the complete demo to use. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can contact with us. Thank you.